Alright, this is my mother's computer, and she's worn off some of the letters right here in the middle. So in this video I'm just going to replace that with actually just some hand-drawn letters. You can actually get stickers that go on here, but the top of the stickers kind of wear out and the stickers ball up and they come off of there. So I'm going to be using a paint pen in order to replace these. So to do this, you'll need somebody that can actually draw the letters reasonably. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that you get these clean. So this is just using a little 409, trying to make sure I get any grease off of them from fingerprints. Alright, so next what I'm going to do, now this may be an unnecessary step, but I'm going to take some 1200 sandpaper and I'm just going to rough up the surface of that a little bit. Give that paint something to stick to. So that's the end product. Not as professional maybe as some stickers might look, but I think that's going to do the job and it'll stay on there. If this wears off, I'll come back and do it again, and I'll just put some polyurethane over the top of it. I can cut a piece of paper that's got a little square in it and set it on top and then spray over the top of it to give it a little bit of thickness. Or I could put some clear nail polish on there. Alright, hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.